Hey everybody, it's Rich Merrill, Bentley's Real Estate, and I have found for you your beachside oasis. Welcome to Salisbury Beach. Today we're here at 11 Railroad Ave, unit number B7. This is 1,210 square feet, located on 3 different levels. It's ready for occupancy as soon as you're ready. This features a private deck that, as you can see, has amazing views of Salisbury Beach. In addition to the deck, there's granite, a gas fireplace, a private deck on the first floor, and also there's a carport where easily 2 to 3 cars can fit in. Plenty of private storage, well priced. This unit's gonna move fast. Come on in, let's go take a look. If you want to see this unit in person, give me a call, shoot me a text, we'll get you in here for a private showing. I look forward to seeing you down here. Have a great day.